and join this oval. Okay, like this. Done, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I can finish the heat. So what I do for heat, I make one line like this. In heat, I just add something like line like this. Okay.
Sir, what is the next step?
Sorry, beta. Yeah. So join this one and make it 1, 2. This is V. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. This is the mouth. And here, just join this. Okay. And after that, you can erase in these two sides. This two sides you can erase. Okay. You can erase this two sides. Okay. Yeah. Done that much? Yeah. Now after that, you just do here the eyes like this and make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, the teeth you can draw over here. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hi. Pujit not join class today. Sunday, no? Okay, okay. So for this week, right? I can change the name from Saturday to Sunday evening. For every week, right? Okay, okay, okay. I changed the name actually in my same 6 to today Saturday 6 p.m. Sunday 6 p.m. Okay, same time. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so now you can make the leg. So before I start this one, I can show this is the dinosaurus. Okay, what's the name of the dinosaurus? You know. So you need the two leg. No, this you need the two leg. Four legs you need. Yeah. So it's the basic shape is like an anda, right? So it's like a dinosaurus egg. So you can make one leg from here. See, one leg. How to make the leg? One, two, three. Leg. One, two, three. Another leg. One, two, three. So we look at three legs. Okay. One, two, three. If you see here, the same leg. One, two, three. Three circle. One circle here. One circle here. Two circle here. Three. Hi, Story. Hi, Story. Hi. Sure. Not issue. Same time. 7:50. 7 o'clock. Okay. Okay, take rest. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So now, just add 1, 2. Add 1, 2, 3. Very simple. Right. Add it. What I doing? I add it 1, 2, and 3. I add it. Okay. And you can erase it inside the inside circle things. You see, no? This you can erase it. Okay. Okay, so now we are erasing all those extra line. Yeah, I do. I show you the next step. So next steps, I just erasing this line. Okay. Erasing this two line. Okay. Now you just make its line the like this 1 2 3 4. Okay, and you can see the top of it, it's little lines that like you can draw like this line, ups and down, ups and down, ups and down, ups and down in top of the body. Okay, and make it like this. Okay, upper body. So you can see here some lots of texture, here, and this normal textures is there. So you can make this lots of different dinosaurs today. How to draw, make the wrinkles. This is the all wrinkles. Okay, you can draw the wrinkles. Okay, like this. Yeah, make the wrinkles. This leg, both leg almost same. Like this. Okay. After the drawing, we can create done that much. We are making another leg. Okay, the same leg and back side. Okay, just one same line you can draw 2 and 3. Same line draw like this. Okay, back side 1. This is like 1 2 3. Then 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay, then 1 2 like this. Done, beta. Yeah. Yeah. Now can create some the scenery in this drawing, like create some leaves like this. Make something lips like this. Line. Test a report. Like this. This. Make it go. Okay. So some leaves like like that pure dinosaurus pure. You can make something. This tree. Okay, just simple. Big leaves, coconut tree or okay. Make it tree. So I just make scenery, make this hill, dinosaurus time, the hill also, you can see lots of hill. Okay, make the small tree, so it's so far. Like this. So then it looks like a dinosaurus time periods. Okay. The volcano. That times you can see the volcano. Just imagine and create. I just imagine and create something like this. Okay.